Hi, I'm Steve Horton with NuVo Technologies. We're here at the CEDIA 2012 show, and here at the show we are featuring a system that we have been developing on for some time now. This has been really our next frontier in our multi-source, multi-zone audio systems. We call it the NuVo Wireless Audio System. As its name would indicate, it is wireless. It operates on Wi-Fi 802.11n, and it is a dual-band Wi-Fi communication. And so the basic pieces of the system are here. There are two individual zone amplifiers. The top one, the P100, is a 40-watt amplifier. The middle one, the P200, is a 120-watt amplifier. That's 2 times 60 watts. Those are Wi-Fi enabled amplifiers that through Wi-Fi are designed to communicate with this piece. It's called the gateway. The gateway is a dual band Wi-Fi communication that attaches to the network, and then it in turn connects and communicates with these. Anything can be Ethernet wired, including this piece, which I love for this space. This is absolutely designed for the custom installation market here at CEDIA. It is a single rack unit, P3100 as we call it. Basically, we took 3 of these individual 40-watt amplifiers and we built them into a 1U rack mountable unit that sits on the network. It has all the streaming capability of the wireless product, and it can work in conjunction with the wireless products. So we have the ability to easily manage a situation where everything is home run to a rack or a cabinet, and then we can put this in place of that and give the customer a wonderful musical experience. So what is that experience? Well, that's where we go to the app. This is the iPad app. This will be available as an iOS app, or also any Android device, phone or tablet, will have its app. And in conjunction with that, we have this device. It's actually an Android-based device, but it's our own proprietary wireless control that all do the same kind of control with the system. Let's talk a little bit about the control itself. These are the zones, and you can set up as many zones as you want, up to 16. They're all synchronized, so the beauty of this is any audio that's sent through the house is synchronized from zone to zone exactly. So with that, let's say I'm in the living room and I'm listening. You'll notice that's in a zone. These can be pulled out or into a zone location at any time, and that activates that zone's audio. And then up at the top here are all of our services. So maybe I want to listen to a Pandora station. Well, it's easy enough to do. I go there, choose that station. You'll see it come up in the now playing screen, and it will begin streaming. And then it will also show up in the zone location on the left side. And you'll notice also that when you choose a source, the transport controls also change with that source. So you get the traditional thumbs up and thumbs down with Pandora. We also have Sirius, anything from our own personal music library. I can go into that. I can choose anything. I'm going to go to Jack Johnson again here. Music library can be anything that is music on a network. It can be a USB drive. We just simply have content on a USB thumb drive that is plugged into one of our zones here, and that becomes part of the global library. It can be NAS drive content. It can also be content on a computer's library on the network. Additionally, we can also go to, on the P200, that's this middle unit, I can also choose up to 8 different paired Bluetooth devices. So the beauty of that is I can have streaming services on my portable device and simply stream it via Bluetooth. It's all lossless, it's all high quality audio, and then all of these are dynamic. So when I talk about it being synchronized audio, perhaps I want to listen to something in the dining room and the living room together. I simply group them together. Now I have multi-zone control. There's individual control for each one. That becomes a master control for the audio for both zones. If I want to start something new in a different zone, I simply drag it into a new zone space. Go there. I have nothing playing at this point. Since I'm on Rhapsody, I can choose a Rhapsody source. And now I'm listening to something different in that second zone. And again, over here on the left side, which we call the dashboard, that's where you see album art for whatever you happen to be listening to in that particular zone. So it all comes together as a truly wireless, networked multi-source, multi-zone audio system. It does everything that our traditional wired systems that we've done for years do, plus more for the customer. And that's it. That's our wireless audio system.